We're here in Incheon street food corner, but not so much street food because it's quite organized, very systematic. You pay using credit card. There, you order. These are the prices, na. So yung price you multiply by 0.04. That's equivalent to Philippine peso. So for example, this 11,000 won. This 440 pesos. So this area is full of mga stalls for travelers. Medyo systematic siya, organized. So they have yung mga barbecue. Uy, hot dog. Ano, hot dog. Natin doon. This place is K Food Festival. May toilet na dito. Dito marami. You have drinks. Oh. Yan. Yung presyo, you multiply by 0.04. So mga 2 to 300 pesos lang. Naman naman Pilipino palaging kino-convert. Magkano in peso? Flaming grill. We ordered this one also. This is so masarap. Yan galing, no? Ano? Pricing niya. Times 0.04. Affordable actually. For example, itong 5,000, this is only 200 pesos. Red pepper chiboki. 7,000, that's 280 pesos. May mga tables here you can eat. No? Uy, cafe. Okay. Ito mga various na mga kainan. Dito we order this one, itong kimchi and anchovy rice noodles. Yan. So that's 3,900 won. So almost 160 pesos. Dito yung mga nakaupo. Yan. Affordable naman, no? You know where to eat. If you want to enjoy ito churros. Okay. Very nice. Danggangjong Korean chicken. Korean chicken. Okay. Very nice. Ito na snacks lang. Parang heavy na yung kinain namin. Parang dinner na rin. We ordered a lot actually. We ordered tayo dito ng coffee. Here. Coffee hot choco. Coffee latte, caramel latte.